Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on SONY Xperia 10-7. Let's begin! So, first of all, let's simply go into the settings and then let's navigate into our display. Now in here we want to change a few things. First of all, the screen flickering effect is usually tied to the brightness level. If you have it quite low, you will encounter some sort of different flickering. It's more visible if you have a camera. I have set my camera to capture to shutter speed of 60 because Sony phones are quite different, special in this regard. Though note that usually on human eyes you shouldn't really notice any kind of difference. However, if you do see a difference, sometimes the disabling of adaptive brightness also helps. It's not as obvious and you probably won't really see that big of a difference, but still it should help. Of course, we also have the ability to change high refresh rate. I have it disabled because this way I will have more battery. But if you don't care about battery, you can also enable it, and then screen flickering should be so often that your eye wouldn't even catch it, hopefully. But of course, we can't not forget about the ability to go into the Play Store, into the ability to write Screen Dimmer, and in here you want to download Screen Dimmer application. As you can see, there are plenty of different screen dimmers. Probably the most popular one is NightScreen, right here, 10 million downloads, that's a lot. Though this application also works, we can click install, and after a moment we should be able to install it. Let's now open it. We can go into allow, let's go to the settings and let's get certain permissions to this. So let's go. And as you can see, our screen is now dimmer. If we open it, we can see that now we can increase or decrease the opacity and we can dim our screen even further, which should help with our screen flickering issue. Unfortunately, this application has some sort of ads, but seeing that the whole application is basically this little bar here and there aren't any applications here, that's pretty good, I think. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.